Welcome back to Doing It Dodgy, or DID builds. So the reason I've changed name is because most of our work will be carried out at home using materials and stuff available to us, stuff that's usually thrown out. I'll repurpose, clean it up and use it alternatively for something better. But today we'll be fixing up a couple of headlight or tail lights that have been damaged or left untended properly, and cleaning off firstly this plastic stuff that's actually been melted on there. The owner thought it would protect the headlight, the actual tail light a little bit better, but it's actually cooked on there now, so we'll have to remove that. And these will actually update the Mk5 tail lights to what a Golf R tail light looks like. So these are LEDs, they're a lot better quality, hopefully long lasting. You won't have to change bulbs, but yeah, as you can see, you probably can't see it very well yet, but when we have them running you'll see that they're actually LEDs all the way along there. They're strips, they're the fancy stuff, so should be pretty good. So we're going to clean the lenses, then we're going to remove the original tail lights, run the wiring through the actual looms and make it look nice and clean and proper, so that when you pop any of these panels off, it actually looks like it's done professionally. And yeah, so the idea is doing it dodgy to a professional standard. So alright, so first step to removing the factory tail light, we want to unplug it. So it doesn't have to be a flat blade or Phillips head, doesn't matter, just has to get behind that tab there, and you just want to flick this back, and that's about it. It looks complicated, you don't have to get your thumb in there, just anything that'll pry on that little clip there, and you're just pulling that spring back and she'll just pretty much spring off. So pretty handy little plug that looks complicated but isn't. So after that, you've got one 10mm there and another 10mm just there. You want to undo both of those and she should come right out. Has left plastic wrapping on the tail light. He's fitted them himself, and unfortunately, because against my my recommendations, he's left it on there. It's baked on, and it's baked well and truly on. Very, very difficult to get undone. We're using this special planer here, but it doesn't seem to be, unfortunately, doing the job. So this may turn out to be a lot more difficult than we first expected, unfortunately, but doesn't mean it's all done. So the idea, if you follow the instructions, is you spray this stuff on, you let it stand for a minute, and it should eat away the stains or whatever else you have on your plastics. Unfortunately, and it's like a citrus tile cleaner, unfortunately it's not doing the job. So maybe while it's on there, we'll start seeing if we can sort of get it underneath, which seems to be working. And hopefully as we pull away, it'll just rip apart, which it seems to be so. Awesome. So I haven't fitted many aftermarket headlight or tail light kits. I've done a few in my previous job, but they were more professional kits where you solder. These are plug and play. So it looks pretty fair in the design that you just pretty much match the colours together. So plug and play, match all these little bullet terminals to their rightful colours, and it should all plug in theory, but we'll see how we go. Right. So I'm going to wrap this wiring a bit of electrical tape just around the whole wires to protect it a little bit more from fretting and rubbing on metal surfaces. And yeah, so what we're doing here is people get a bit worried about messing around with these I forgot what you call them, these insulation slots here to keep rainwater out, because you're going to have water obviously dripping down here into the gutters and whatnot. But because these are insulated with a pretty decent plastic sort of wrapping, we shouldn't need to cut into any of these wire slots. So all we're going to do is fit them right in. So through here, so you remove all this trim pieces here, through here, and we're going to slot them through there. So in order to protect these wires, you probably want to wrap them up with tape, which is what I'll be doing. And we'll get a coat hanger and we'll just slot it through there and slot it all the way down to the bottom. Should make things a little bit easier.